And Indonesia.
And Indonesia.
And Brazil.
Brazil.
Brazil. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, 70 cylinders. Yeah. Holy smoke.
This is what we're talking about.
Yeah?
That's why he has a cab.
Yeah.
Frequently inspected by the roofing station.
Okay.
Okay? So Merlin,
That is awesome. You ever seen this before? You don't know what cat? You did it before? No.
I love the
That's amazing. That's amazing how fast it changes the bit. Yeah. Greg, you seen all that? Wow. So, this place machines only these parts? Hold on a second. This place machines these parts only, they don't do the cylinders and stuff here?
no. 他说你有做那个气缸那边做吗？
气缸不是在这里。
对啊。Different process，它是这样。
That's me.
That's me.